Everyone's dream, especially women's, is to have a clean and healthy mouth and teeth. The reason for this is because teeth are one of the factors that influence look. That is why many people are looking for natural or medical alternatives to whiten their teeth. There are a variety of ways to do this, including paying a lot of money for dental treatment. The following are 5 natural ways to whiten teeth that you can attempt at home. Baking soda. Because baking soda has natural whitening characteristics, it is frequently used in toothpaste formulations. This material contains mild abrasive qualities that can aid in the removal of stains on the teeth's surface. Baking soda can also help to generate an alkaline environment in the mouth, which inhibits bacteria growth. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry, toothpaste with baking soda was much more successful than toothpaste without baking soda at removing yellow stains from teeth. The trick is to use a toothbrush to combine 1 teaspoon baking soda with 2 teaspoons water. Then, at least once a week, clean your teeth with the combination. Strawberries. Strawberries contain malic acid, vitamin C, and astringents, which can help restore the whiteness of teeth while also eliminating plaque. Simply mash some strawberries and use it as toothpaste when brushing your teeth. To obtain the best benefits, do it at least twice a week. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another option. Despite the fact that it seems strange, many people have utilized this natural chemical to whiten their teeth. Coconut oil is also said to be good for your teeth. After brushing your teeth, apply coconut oil evenly to your teeth and keep it on for up to 20 minutes. After that, gargle to clear your mouth. Turmeric powder. Turmeric will leave a stain on your clothes, but not on your teeth. This natural substance works to eliminate stains from teeth while also enhancing their color. The trick is to moisten your toothbrush and sprinkle turmeric powder on it before brushing your teeth as usual. Leave it in your mouth for up to 5 minutes before gargling. After that, clean your teeth once more with your regular toothpaste. For best effects, do it on a regular basis. Activated charcoal. Charcoal is the final easy option to whiten teeth. Activated charcoal appears to have pores with a high absorption capacity, allowing it to bind chemicals that cause teeth to yellow or brown, such as tannins. This material also aids in the maintenance of dental acidity and the prevention of tartar. The trick is to use activated charcoal to rinse your mouth by sprinkling it on a toothbrush or combining it with water. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.